Welcome back to Buffer in Node.js. Buffer is an instance of the buffer class in Node.js. Buffer is designed to handle binary raw data. Buffer allocate raw memory outside the V8 heap. Buffer class is a global class, so it can be used without importing the buffer module in an application. Let's create an uninitiated buffer with alloc method and write something in it. We have logged the buffer and also get actual content by toString method. It will log the buffer octet data and actual content we have written. The write method is used to return the number of octets in which string is written. If buffer does not have enough space to fit the entire string, it will write only a part of the string. Write method returns a number of bytes written. ToString method is used to read original content from the buffer. It has three parameters, which are encoding mechanism, which is default UTF-8. Then rest parameters are start and end index of content. So, it returns a sliced string rather than original string. Copy method simply copies all the values from the source buffer to target buffer. Parameters of copy method are target buffer, then target buffer's start index, from where the content is being copied, then source buffer's start index, and at the last end index of source buffer if needed. And after copying the buffer, method returns a number of bytes copied. An include method checks whether the provided value is present or included in the buffer or not. First parameter is value to be checked. Then the second parameter is byte offset, which is optional. Basically this is a starting index, from there an include method will start checking value. And last optional parameter is encoding type. If the value does not exist from the byte offset, then it will return false as a return value. Compare method compares the two given buffers. When we compare two buffers, it will return one of the three value. Compare method will return 0 if both buffers are same. If second buffer either includes content of first buffer or differ from first buffer, then it will return -1. And if the first buffer started with the same content of second buffer, it will return 1. We can also check two buffer are same or not with equal method. And it will return true or false. Thank you for watching.